Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool commercial with VO3 and the prompt I'm using. And this is kind of going viral. It's an Ikea commercial. So check this out. We're going to go step by step. So number one is you're going to have to head over to Google Labs. So you will need a Gemini paid account, but once you have it, head over to Flow, new project. All right, so here's the prompt, and it kind of follows a JSON style structure. So this is how we can chat with large language models to get better results when we're trying to get specific details in our videos. So you want the description, the style, the camera, the lighting, the room, the elements, the motion, the text, the keywords. This is how we can communicate better with it, and I can do a full tutorial on prompting, but let's just see how it happens. I'm doing VO3 fast, and this is, I can put this down below if you guys want to try it out yourself, but check this out. So we're going to do this live here. All right, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another prompt. Let's watch this here. Right, so that's pretty cool. You know what I mean? Like, these are the ads that we can create for your brand as well. So let's just simplify the prompt. So that was a JSON style prompt that we gave it. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna do a very simple prompt of the same type of instruction. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna compare. Did that, maybe we can say an Ikea box. Let's add Ikea in here. And I'm gonna run it. So I wanna see how it compares if I'm using a more like JSON style detailed prompt in comparison to just a very simple one-line prompt. Now I think, of course, if you want more detail and more control, you're gonna want more of those instructions. But yeah, let's see how it comes out here. All right, so now we're gonna see number 2 here. Okay, so not as good. Let's go back to this one here. Okay, and I'm gonna try that prompt one more time. Let's see here. All right, here's our next rendering. Let's check it out here. Okay, you see that one? This is way better, and it was the exact same prompt. So sometimes if it doesn't work on the first try, try it again. So we had this one here that kind of didn't really work as well. All right, but there you have it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I got more cool video AI generation tutorials coming soon. Thanks so much for watching.